For those of you that are short on time, this is going to be a quick 2-minute walk around video tour on this 1996 2950 Proline on a trailer here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are. Coming down along the side, we see she's got nice bottom paint. She's on a triple axle galvanized trailer with side guides and LED lights. Good tires. Here at the transom, we've got our Bravo 3 drives that'll push her along over 35 miles an hour. Let's go aboard. We enter this cockpit through this starboard door, and immediately in front of us we see we've got this 80 square foot cockpit with lots of seating. Here at the transom, we've got our bait well, water management system, storage right there. Got a nice deep wide walk around, over 16 inches deep. Here at the helm, we see we have our double wide companion seat. This dash has all been redone, so everything is nice and fresh. We've got Simrad electronics, radar, GPS, chart plotter. We enter the cabin. Right in front of us, we see we've got finished fiberglass floor to port, galley with refrigerator, single burner stove, lots of headroom. There's our V berth right there, 7 feet by 6. We do have cushions for it circling behind, our wet head, and then a nice mid cabin right there. Our AC/DC power panel is right there. Happy Jack is brought to you by South Mountain Yachts. If you like this video and want to know more, just click at the link on the end for the full video with all the specs. But in the meantime, viewer today, owner tomorrow.